my channel. My name is Robin and this is my closet. Just trying to get comfortable. I am so excited. I want to give away. I actually received it a couple weeks ago, but I wanted to hold off until it got closer to the holidays because it is an advent calendar. And I won it from Barb's Unboxings. I will leave her link below. She does all sorts of unboxings. She is from Canada, so I feel bad because the shipping to get items that we would get for free for shipping, she has to pay for shipping. So I do feel bad, though I am excited that I won this because it is, I can't even pronounce it, Octane Calander. She did an unboxing as well on it, so please check out her channel. She does a ton of skincare, beauty unboxings. And she sent me a card to go along with it. And again, she is just so sweet. Hello, Robin, or dear Robin, congratulations on winning my October giveaway. I really hope you enjoy your Advent calendar goodies, and thank you for supporting my channel. Merry Christmas. So I am just so excited. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. Thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you, thank you, thank you. I so appreciate the loyalty to my channel. So I am going to try to rip this apart. It came in an outer box, and so I opened that with scissors, but I didn't realize that I needed the scissors for this. And I was checking out advent calendars. I think it was the Look Fantastic that I got last year. It was like $100, and it had like 24 days, but I'm still using some of the stuff I think I got last year. So I decided to hold off on calendars. So when I found out I won this, I was so excited because it looks like such a nice calendar. So I am going to unbox it, and this is what the inside looks like, and it smells yummy. So let me see if I can find how this works. I'm a little calendar challenged here. There. 13/7. They got these all over. I'm just trying to find one. Okay, it's a little confusing for me when I opened them because the numbers are kind of all over the place, and I'm not sure. I think this is French and English, so I'm just going to start at the top and work my way down. So the first thing that I opened, it looks like a bar of soap, a little bar of soap, but it smells really, really good. And the saying was Silent Night, but it's also in French, I'm thinking. The next one I'm opening is, boy, they really put these in so nice, is Fleur de Sensei Cherry Blossom Bath and Shower Gel. So this cute little bottle of shower gel. I'm not going to open it, but I'm sure it smells terrific. And the next item is milk concentrate, and I'm sure it's a cream. As I said, it's kind of in French, or not kind of, it is. So I'm thinking it's a cream. And then the next item, these compartments are so tiny, is a comforting cream. Can you see the size? It's just a tiny little thing, but perfect for overnight or sticking in your purse. And then the next item is a lip balm. And then the next item is, wow, it's hard to read. There's not a card in here, so I have to go by what I don't know. But it's a cute little bottle. I'm not sure if it's a body oil, and I can't, oh, wait, there we go. Oh, wow. It smells like lemon. So I don't know if it is just a body oil or maybe it's a perfume. Like a, how did they say it? Eau de toilette. So that is super nice. And then as I completely rip this box apart, we've got a shampoo, and this must be the cream rinse. Oh no, it's a body lotion. This is a shampoo, and this is the body lotion. And I have a little basket that I got in my, I purchased it, and I have it in my guest bathroom, and I'm gonna put a winter towel in there, and then I can put all these great items in there. So I'm thinking somewhere we got the shampoo, there must be a cream rinse. And then we have the cherry blossom hand cream. You can see that. Wow, this is so much fun. Barb, you're the best. And another bar of soap. It looks like it's shaped in a leaf. And then we have the dry skin, oh, it's a foot cream. And, wow, there's still half of this to go. Wow, this packaging, nothing's gonna move around in this guy. And then we have the cherry blossom shimmering lotion. So there's a bunch of lotions, I guess, just in different scents. And I'm on number 11, but I know I went out of order. And then we have shower cream. These are just so cute. I'm gonna have to go somewhere just so I can use all this. And then we have hand and nail care, which I'm gonna need after sticking my fingers in these little tiny things here, but this is so exciting. And then we have another hand cream. They must just be in different scents, but the packaging is super, super nice. Wow. And Precious Cream. Oh, is there more than 24 in here? And a shower oil. And I'm still going strong. And I'm sure it's another cream. It's got the leaf on it, so it looks like the soap. Ooh, goodies over here. And then we have, oh, here's the conditioner. I'm just loving these bottles. And then we have another shower gel, and I can't tell what scent, but I definitely can't wait to use them. And then we have another soap bar. Precious soap. So when you all come out and visit me in Arizona, your guest bathroom is just going to be so nice. And we have, it looks like another one of these oils. Just really hard to read. Gel, verbena shower gel. And there's a couple more items in here. And it looks like another lotion. And then the last little guy in here, of course, is going to be so hard to get out. Oh, there he goes. You don't know what this is, but it's so cute. It is, I don't know if it's it goes in the bath, it goes in the shower. It's a sugar cube with essential oils. So I don't know if you just rub it on your skin while you're in the shower or the bath, but it smells delicious. So that was everything in this, oh, hello. Everything is on the back. So everything that was in here. So it doesn't say what goes where, but at least I know everything that's in here. Okay, so everything that was in here is on the back. So I kind of mixed them all up. There are 24 doors. And it says, like, there's the Shea Body Showering Gel, the Cherry Blossom Bath and Shower Gel. So it does tell me everything that was in here. So that's totally awesome. I don't know if you can see my couch, but I have goodies everywhere. So she was right. So please check out her channel. She's so nice, and she does some great unboxings. So please comment, let me know what you thought of my great giveaway that I won, and have an awesome day.